At the light, turn right.
Right here.
We're gonna put a new drain in,
Yeah, we drain a new pan.
and then we're gonna call for inspection for tomorrow.
Dum-dums, what's the science? If it go approach, took the course and the force is centrifugal. But I got the sound I want the whole world to listen to. Waiting at a red light, Kentucky Fried Chicken and...
He's gonna send me a new one. We can just change the valve off later. Yes.
I know.
We don't have to fucking hear that decorator is coming Friday morning at 9 a.m. You know what I mean?
No.
Yeah, believe me, we will plead the case. I fucking will.
Yeah, son. All right.
Still on by the way. You said 76
Turn left onto East Woolbright Road. At the light, turn right onto South Federal Highway.